Oh. Oh. Wow. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today we're going to be reacting to Mamamoo's Midnight Summer Dream, Rainy Season, and Sleep in the Car. So, guys, we are back with some more Mamamoo. We are getting into the next 4 seasons album because even though there were a lot of B-sides last time, we have checked a lot of them out because a lot of the B-sides had like extra kinds of like music videos and stuff, which we had checked out beforehand. We checked out the rest of the B-sides from that album last time. I think what was it called? Yellow Flower? Was that what it was called last time? This time we have Red Moon, I believe it is called, this summer album. I'm very excited for this. We have 3 B-sides from this album we haven't checked out. One thing I'm a bit confused about is Rainy Season, because some places say it is part of the album, but some places say it isn't part of the album, so I'm not sure if it's like a physical only or a special edition only, but I'm going to be including that since we only have 2 B-sides otherwise, and might as well check out Rainy Season since we haven't checked that one out. So I'm thinking let's just get right into the first one, Mamamoo's Midnight Summer Dream. Alright, Mamamoo's Midnight Summer Dream. We are on Olivia White's channel as per usual. Let's go. Okay, there's quite a lot of different stuff. Okay. Okay, I'm really digging the instrumental. Ooh. Oh, those are some nice vocals. Love them bringing actually a phone into the instrumentals there. Oh. Oh. Little turn up. Oh, okay. Oh, this is dope. Oh. Oh, that's... Okay, so that's the Summer Night Dream part. That's kind of catchy, you know? Back to this part that's a bit more... like jazz R&B. Well, all of the song is R&B, obviously, but oh. God damn. What a nice fitting flow. Wow, okay. What even was that sound effect? Notes. Oh, okay. The bridge. Oh. Okay, we're getting the slow rebuilding. Oh, weird. Oh, that was that growl from Hwaza. Oh, and the notes they're pulling off, like, just out of the sleeves. Oh, an interesting ending, almost as if like the power is running out of the radio or whatever is playing the song. Got that, Mamamoo's Midnight Summer Dream, a very nice summer R&B song. It was very, very dope. How, especially in the beginning, there was a lot of a lot of stuff going on without it being overwhelming. We had a lot of different small instrumentals that made us unsure of what we were getting into with this song, but it soon turned out to be a very, very nice R&B with some, first of all, absolutely amazing vocals. I just love the way that they use their R&B vocals. They have some very, very good voices for for R&B. Solar and Hween being this this duo that kind of, you know, covers each other with their high notes. So it's like Solar sings, Hween does the high ad-libs. Hween sings, Solar does the high ad-libs. Really love that. Hwasa coming in with a bit of a growl, with a bit of you know, power into what is otherwise an R&B song is very, very nice. And then Mopil with her really, really well flowed rap for a song like this. She really does a good job at that every single time. But let's move on to the next one, MAMAMOO's Rainy Season. All right, MAMAMOO's Rainy Season, again on Olivia White's channel. Let's go.
It's a rainy day.
I'm really liking how it's beginning. Wow. Fits perfectly with the title already. Okay. Keeping it slow, keeping it low. Oh, so this is really an R&B album, huh? Bit blues like this song, right? It's much more of a blues. With the lyrics too. Wow. Oh, this is dope. I was honestly not expecting this much R&B from this album, because I believe this is Mopil's album, right? But there'd be much more of a variety, but damn, I really do enjoy it. Oh. And she gets to show off some very nice raps. Oh. It's perfect for the vibe. Oh. Love the ad-libs too. Oh, a little remixy part here, a little turn up. Even though it's not really a turn up, but you know what I mean. Oh. Oh. Like this. Back and forth. Oh, those pure vocals from Hween with Hwasa singing on top. Solar coming in with that. And Hwasa? Oh. Okay, merging their voices for this part. Superb. Oh, it's not just with Hwasa. Okay. Okay, well, that was MAMAMOO's Rainy Season. It's a song that fits so well with the title. So judging from the title, it's exactly what I would expect. Something that's a bit more R&B, a bit more blues, where they're kind of talking about this rainy season. Well, obviously not as the most positive thing, and I really enjoyed it. It sounded absolutely amazing. Love once again how Moonpil gets to do these raps for these more slow songs, and she gets to show off her flow, because she has so many different flows when it comes to rap, and I really enjoyed it. I love how she also gets to merge her voice with both Hwasa and Huyen right here at the end. Other than that, the vocals were just superb throughout the whole song. It really felt like I was drawn into like a jazz club or a blues club, and just sitting there with my drink and listening to the blues. Absolutely enjoyed this song. And as I said, it's not so, I wasn't expecting this to be this much R&B, because it's Moonpil's song, and thinking about Moonpil's solo stuff, it's not entirely R&B, especially thinking about Lunatic and Cheese in the Trap. But I very much enjoyed it. We still have one more to go, so let's get right into MAMAMOO's Sleep in the Car. Alright, the last B-side from the Red Moon album, MAMAMOO's Sleep in the Car, again on Olivia White's channel. Let's go. Oh. Sounds kind of dramatic. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. We going hip hop route, okay. This is dope. Oh. Oh, it's building up. It feels it feels so different from anything we've heard before from MAMAMOO. It's so new. Oh. Damn. Like with the instrumental and everything, it reminds me of like Stray Kids stuff or something. Damn, it's good. Oh. Okay. That's a nice change for the two vocalists. Oh, it's so good. It's really good. Love the sass they have in their voices for that point. Okay, the build up again. Woo! Oh, it's dope. Okay. Is it? Okay. So it gives me the same vibes as like what's it called? 1 centimeter taller than you. It's like almost like a diss track. Hey, it's a build up. Ooh. Exactly. It's just my fun. And making this into a song like. Wow. Okay, this was so dope. MAMAMOO's Sleep in the Car. So, without a doubt, this is the same kind of vibe, like 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter taller than you, or whatever the song was called specifically. It's a hard title to say because I feel like it's so different, right? This one, Sleep in the Car, It seems like they're mostly talking about Hwieon, but they are also saying, you know, Unni a lot, so they're probably also talking about, you know, Moonpyeol and Sola, and basically just Hwasa is the only one who's going free because at least I didn't see her getting, you know, named directly. But damn, this was really, really dope. Love how they take these random things that go on in their life and actually turn it into a song. They're obviously just, you know, teasing Hwieon for sleeping in the car, and what also seemed like teasing Moonpyeol for sleeping in the car. Listen to all my homies love sleeping in a car. There's no reason why you wouldn't. It's such a, I don't know. It's just, for me, it's the perfect place to sleep, other than your bed, obviously. But damn, absolutely amazing song. Love the vibe. Love how different it was from what we've heard so far from MAMAMOO. It's incredible to me how we can be this far into the you know, the discography and still find something new that they're absolutely amazing at. I absolutely love it. But yeah, guys, that was Midnight Summer Dream, Rainy Season, and Sleep in the Car by MAMAMOO. We are taking some R&B, some blues, and then a bit of a turn into some hip-hop, which was absolutely amazing. Love this album, how different, how much different stuff there is. I was kind of, in the beginning when we heard Midnight Summer Dream and Rainy Season, I was kind of like, okay, maybe all of these three B-sides are going to be R&B, but it turned out they weren't, because Sleep in the Car was very much quite the opposite. We also had, obviously, thinking about the other B-sides, we've had a lot of different music in in this album, and I really, really enjoyed that. This, I believe, at least this was Moonpyeol's album. This was also the one with, you know, Selfish and stuff. It's a very, very good album, and my favorite, honestly, I'm inclined to say it's Sleep in the Car. Other than the title track, I think Egotistic is such an absolutely amazing song from MAMAMOO. So that is my favorite from this album. But Sleep in the Car is really dope. I love how they are bringing something completely new into this discography with this album, and it turned out absolutely amazing. Let me know what you guys thought about MAMAMOO's Midnight Summer Dream, Rainy Season, and Sleep in the Car down in the comments below. Let me know which song from this album is your favorite down in the comments as well. And I guess I'll see you guys next time.